course you're gonna be taking for college? Huh? OT? Ano man na siya? Occupational therapist? Di ba masa histar man ka? Mag-OT ka? Saya nga pud uy. Ganun dili ba ka mag-toot? Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I am Alisa Celine. I'm a second year occupational therapy student and I hope you enjoy your stay here. Today's video is inspired by Max Ilagan's Why Physical Therapy video. If you want to know more about PT, then go head over to his channel. Link will be up or down below. Anyways, I'm gonna be sharing to you why I chose to study BS Occupational Therapy. Let's start with how I knew about OT. When I was a kid, the only healthcare professions that I knew were doctor, nurse, dentist. Those were the only three. I didn't even know there was a medtech or a PT or an OT or a speech therapist or any other medical profession there is. So I heard about OT from my neighbor, si Ate Jillian, who is now an OT. I knew back in high school that she was gonna be taking up OT. I was a bit curious as to what an OT does. When I read about it online, I said to myself, oh, this is interesting. That thought just stayed at the back of my mind back in junior high school. And then now, let's move on to the more serious college decision-making portion of my life. In high school, I was really into debating, public speaking, performing, stuff like that. Although I took a STEM strand when I went into the last year of high school, I told myself, okay, I am going to be a lawyer. And then after a few months, I stumbled upon OT again. I did more research about it. I searched up people on Instagram who are OTs and asked them about their experiences. And I was like, oh my gosh, I think this is it for me. So I was like, Alisa, ano ba talaga gusto mo? It's time to make decisions for your future. I was really torn. I wanted to be in a course that fits my skills. I think my skills are writing, communicating, creativity, and encouraging, inspiring people. Because honestly though, most jobs help people. Whether you go into business, healthcare, whether you go into politics, HRM, or biology, or chemistry, or engineering, you're still helping people, diba? So it's up to you to decide how you are going to help those people. So after much thinking and praying and researching, I finally decided on taking up occupational therapy. Top 3 reasons why I chose the course. There are not a lot of OTs in the country, in my city or in my region. Based on my current span of knowledge, I only know that there are like less than 5 OTs in my region. A lot of people need the service, so maybe I can be an addition to professionals who can offer OT services in my city or in my region. Second reason is that the subjects that I'm gonna be learning are diverse. As I was flipping through courses, I was also looking at the curriculum for the courses I was interested at, and when I looked at the course curriculum for OT, I was like, wow, I'm gonna be learning a lot of things from anatomy, physiology, kinesiology, neuroscience. I was also gonna be learning about ergonomics and ethics. So on top of that, leadership and mental health, neurological rehab, cardiopulmonary rehab, orthotics, prosthetics, and a lot more. I was really intrigued. The scope of OT is very wide. There are a lot of areas that I can dive into. Actually, during my first day of school, during my first OT class, our instructors asked us, why did you choose OT? I took up OT because I wanted to add more life to years. So yeah, that was my answer. OT really does add life to years in a way that it improves a person's quality of life. The way I'm gonna describe OT to others when they ask me what my course is all about is that occupations are basically everything that you do every day. From sleeping, to dressing, to bathing, to shopping, driving, to going to school, to communicating with other people, doing leisure activities, doing sports, playing. What we do is that if a person has a condition, injury, or has difficulty doing those occupations, we help them do those things again, helping them learn those skills or modifying the environment or providing equipment. You help your clients participate in occupations that are meaningful to them. You're a vessel. You're a vessel of hope, You are someone who will help clients unlock the door towards the things that they want to do. I think that's great. Yeah, those are the reasons why I chose to study occupational therapy. And it's nice to be reminded of those reasons. As my instructor once said, you have to hang on to those reasons because difficult times will come. There were days when I questioned why I took the course because it's not easy, but I just remind myself that you're not doing this for yourself. You're not doing this just because you want to have a job. You're also doing this for other people. Other people need you and need your service. If you are an OT student or an OT, you can comment down below what were your top 3 reasons. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. If you do not want to like and subscribe, do not like and subscribe. I would not hold it against you. Please keep safe. Stay at home if you can. See you in my next video. Bye!